everyone! It's me, Myra, and welcome to our channel. So for today, I decided to make something that I want to share to all of you. So we are going to make my own version of pork adobo. Pork adobo in lemongrass and with sweet potato. Yes, sweet potato. Yes, it is. It is possible. And for today, let's join with me and let's make a pork adobo and lemongrass with sweet potato. Happy watching! Wow! Oh la la! Look at that! So delicious! Yay! Everyone, presenting to all of you my homemade pork adobo in lemongrass with sweet potato. So it's gonna be look like different. And this is our fried rice, adobo fried rice. And of course, this is the delicious adobo, my own version. So as you can see, very juicy, soft, and a little bit spicy, sweet and sour. So yeah. Hi everyone! So before I end my vlog, thank you so much for watching and shout out again to all my subscribers. Thank you so much. And for today, we made the pork adobo which is successful. So yeah. This is time for our lunch and see you on my next vlog. Thank you so much everyone for watching and I hope all of you happy and safe today. God bless everyone and always remember, live the life to the fullest, love yourself, be yourself and be happy always. Bye bye! See you on my next vlog.
Alright, alright.